back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make stuffed pancakes. Now this recipe is super yummy, so stay with me till the end. Anyways, first off, we're going to make the stuffing. You're going to need to prep your veggies. So cut your carrots, your onions, your red habanero peppers, your green bell peppers, your cabbage, whichever veggies you would like to use for this recipe. I also had some leftover fried chicken in the fridge, and I decided to use that up for this recipe as well. Now you can use minced meat, you can use fried meat, but I had some minced meat in the fridge and I decided to use that as well. So first of all, brown up your beef, your minced meat, and set it aside. Now what I did is, in that same pan I browned my beef, I added vegetable oil and added some curry and nutmeg to wake up the flavors. Now you can add some garlic, onions, red habanero peppers, and carrots, and let them all cook together. Now you're going to add your carrots early because carrot is a bit hard and it takes a while for it to cook compared to the other veggies. At this point, you're going to add your chicken and your browned beef. I seasoned this with seasoning cubes and salt. Stir this up, cover it, and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then add green bell peppers and your cabbage to it. You're going to stir this properly, allow it to cook for another 5 minutes or so, cover it and set it aside. And then you're ready to start making your pancakes. Now to make your pancakes, in a bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar. It depends on your taste buds, but I use about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix your dry ingredients together and then add an egg and add 1 cup of milk. So what happened was I added 1/2 cup of milk first and I realized I needed more milk, so I added another 1/2 cup of milk later. I also added about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. But I'm going to add all the measurements in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Mix it properly, and then to loosen up your batter a bit, you can add some extra water to it. I added about 3 tablespoons of water to loosen up my batter. Now in a pan, use some cooking spray and add your batter. Now you want your batter to be as light as possible, and you want your pancakes to come out as flat as possible. So make sure that you swirl the batter around the pan and then you flip it over. Now when you see that it's a bit brown on both sides, it's ready. And then we just do that process all over again. But this takes this batter would make about 6 to 7 pancakes. So now we're going to start rolling the pancakes. You're going to add some of the stuffing to the edge of your pancakes. About 2 spoons will work. And then you tuck in the other edge like I'm doing, and then you roll. It's pretty easy. Now in that opening right there, you can add some more filling. So let's try rolling these pancakes again. Let's try this again. So you add your stuffing to the edge of your pancakes. you tuck in the other side, and then you roll. Easy, right? But yes, this recipe is really yummy. It's not the easiest, but it is totally worth it. I hope that you try it out. If you do, please let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and follow me on Instagram as well, because I'm going to be sharing pictures of this recipe. I also made pineapple shrimp to go with it. If you'd like to see that recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.